I'm going to show you how to replace the latch on your roto-molded 45 and 80 quart wheeled coolers. Each latch has a pinned top and a screwed in bottom. For this job, you'll need a hammer, punch, T20 Torx bit, and a pair of wire cutters or pliers will work as well. First, we're going to start by hitting the pin out. When you get to a point where the punch no longer goes any further, this is where you need your wire cutters. You can grab the pin. It's very tough. For the bottom of the latch, you have 4 screws. We're just going to take all 4 screws out. If this is not broken, you do not need to remove it with your new replacement latch. If this is broken, we're going to remove all 4 of these screws to get it to come off. Three and 4. And then you should just be able to pull it right off. I'm going to show you how to replace the latch. In the bag, you will get a pin, you'll get a bottom piece of the latch, you will get the latch itself, and you'll have 4 screws. 2 are machine screws, fine thread, and 2 are coarse threaded. They go in 2 different spots in the cooler. So we're going to start by attaching the bottom piece. You need T20 Torx bit. The easiest way to start doing this is we are going to set this up on the cooler itself, and we are going to start one of the machine threaded screws in the bottom. And we will do the next one. Okay, let's tighten these up a little bit. We do not need to tighten them all the way right this second. Okay. If we can try to align the top 2 holes with the coarse threaded screws, we need to put them back in the same hole if possible. Okay, and these we want to tighten all the way down. Once those top 2 are tight, we're going to finish by tightening the bottom 2. Okay, and we're going to take the top part of the latch. We're going to start the pin. We're going to take our hammer and hit it in as far as you can without hitting the cooler. And then we will take our punch and hit it in the rest of the way. Now your cooler has a brand new latch.